Rose quartz is a beautiful pink crystal, often admired for its delicate hue and soothing presence. It is known as the stone of love, symbolizing unconditional love and infinite peace. This crystal is popular for its gentle energy and healing properties, making it a favorite among healers and crystal enthusiasts. People have used rose quartz for centuries, incorporating it into jewelry, amulets, and various rituals. They believe it promotes love, peace, and emotional healing, creating a sense of calm and tranquility. Rose quartz can be a powerful tool for self-discovery, helping you connect with your inner self. It helps you understand and heal your emotions, fostering a deeper sense of self-awareness. This crystal teaches you about the power of forgiveness, encouraging you to let go of past hurts. It encourages you to love yourself and others, promoting self-acceptance and compassion. Rose quartz is a must-have for anyone interested in crystals, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned collector. In addition to any crystal collection, enhancing the energy of your space. It's a reminder of the importance of love and compassion, both for yourself and for those around you. Rose quartz gets its beautiful pink color from trace amounts of titanium or manganese, which are naturally occurring elements in the Earth's crust. It typically ranges from a very pale pink to a deeper rose hue, offering a spectrum of colors that appeal to many collectors and enthusiasts. Rose quartz is often found in massive form, meaning it doesn't form distinct crystals, unlike many other minerals. Instead, it creates beautiful clusters or smooth, rounded pieces that are highly sought after for their aesthetic appeal. Brazil is the most significant source of rose quartz, providing a large portion of the world's supply. It's also found in other countries like Madagascar, the USA, and South Africa, each contributing to the global market. The unique formation and gentle color of rose quartz make it a favorite for carvings, jewelry, and decorative objects, adding a touch of elegance to any collection. Rose quartz is strongly connected to the heart chakra. This chakra, located in the center of your chest, governs love, compassion, and empathy. When your heart chakra is balanced, you experience harmony in your relationships and a deep sense of self-love. Rose quartz acts like a soothing balm for the heart chakra. It can help heal emotional wounds, release past hurts, and dissolve anger and resentment. This allows the heart chakra to open up, inviting in more love, compassion, and forgiveness. There are, like, many ways to experience the benefits of rose quartz. This beautiful pink crystal is known for its ability to promote love, compassion, and emotional healing. Meditating with a piece of rose quartz on your heart chakra can help you connect with its gentle energy. This practice can open your heart to self-love and emotional balance. Holding the crystal and focusing on its energy can bring a sense of calm and peace. It can also help to release stress and negative emotions. Wearing rose quartz jewelry is another way to keep its energy close to your heart throughout the day. This can serve as a constant reminder to stay open to love and positivity. Placing a piece of rose quartz in your home or workspace can create a more loving and harmonious environment. It can also enhance the energy of the space, making it feel more welcoming and peaceful. the gentle power of rose quartz. Rose quartz reminds us of the incredible power of love. Its gentle energy promotes healing, forgiveness, and compassion, helping us to open our hearts to ourselves and others. Whether you are drawn to its beauty or its healing properties, rose quartz is a powerful tool for anyone seeking more love and peace in their lives. By embracing the gentle yet profound energy of rose quartz, you invite more love, joy, and harmony into your life.